In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to delete TikTok videos. Sometimes we need to delete TikTok videos, but we can't delete because we don't know how to delete TikTok videos. It is a very simple process. So for this, first of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected to the internet, simply open your TikTok application. So here you go. Then click the me icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on this me icon or profile icon. Then select your video that you want to delete. So I'm gonna select a video. Now you have to click on the three dot below the comment icon. Tap on this three dot. Now slightly move the bottom row to the left. And now you will see delete option. Tap on delete option and now tap on delete. And the video has been deleted. So following this simple process, we can easily delete TikTok videos. I hope you understand the full video. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.